Yo, what up? Welcome back everyone to the Rad Skate Park check-in across New York City. That's not right. The Rad Skate Park check-in New York City edition. Welcome back. I am your host, Vincent Basile. If you guys are not aware of what we're up to, we are going inside of every New York City skate park and we're showing you all the features. Sorry, let me move this stuff. No, it's in the way. I remember when this park was just 2 basketball hoops. Really? Nah, for real. No, is this brand new?
This is brand new. I wish I could show you how it looked before. This was always here, but the basketball court was right here. This is nice right here.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I'm excited.
We're stoked to be here, yeah.
Yeah, that's a fact.
First time, man. Thank you.
I ain't been here, yeah.
Are you still recording? Yeah. Hey.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. All right. Sorry about that. Stephen A. Rudd Skate Park, Brooklyn, New York, episode 18. Shout out to Pasquale, who was skateboarding this park, and we didn't know it was here. You might not know of this park. Let's go inside. Anything on my face?
A beard.
All right, fantastic. Welcome inside the park. Right off the bat, what did we call this at the N.Y.C. park? We call it the quarter bowl or the speed check. I don't know if you guys saw that episode with Louis Tolentino. The quarter bowl, the speed check, the half moon, the UFO crashed here. Grind it, slide it, use it like a quarter pipe. And it's got this nice flat ledge on top. Get the flow going, whether you're dropping in or you're making the turn back into the park. Sweet. We just showed you that thing. There's only 6 features in here. We're just gonna breeze right through them and get right to skating. Right here is a nice little A-frame, bank to bank. On the other side, it's like a hump. So you can generate speed or use it like it's not a hip, it's more like a stomach, round. You got the A-frame rail, and you got your stomach. I've never really seen this feature in any park. It's always like some kind of like pyramid. But right here, it's like a stomach. One other thing. They got this nice grindable side on the ledge right into it, and that's a nice part of this feature. We got this ledge to mani pad to ledge. We've seen stuff like this at the Astoria skate park in Queens, and we've seen something like this at the N.Y.C. skate park. These ledges are a little bit bigger, say like 2 feet high. Maybe you could get up that little ledge and then hit the ledge from there. So work your way up. Hit the ledge, just hit it as a mani pad, hit it like a fun box. Combinations like grind to mani to grind, or mani grind to mani. I don't know, sky's the limit. Here's a nice flat bar. It's like 3.5 inches wide. It's bolted into the ground. It looks to be about, I'm guessing, 12 feet long. It looks inviting. Here's a rad feature, a kicker to manual pad slash ledge. It looks fun. It looks dangerous. You don't usually see this feature in many parks. The gap looks to be about like a sewer cap. Yeah, like a sewer cap. You gotta think like that. Don't get in your head, because you'll be stuck thinking that you can't get over certain things that you could probably get over. I know I have that problem. That's just all mental. Get creative. Stick to what you know. If you don't even want to hit it, don't hit it. I don't care. Quarter pipe. This reminds us of the Laurelton skate park. Actually, the Laurelton might be a little higher than this. A 3-foot high quarter pipe. It looks very inviting. The slant looks perfect. It looks like it was built for beginners. It looks a lot of fun. 10 foot wide across the way. And your built-in 2-inch coping. You always see that. And that's the park, guys. It's time to skate. No more talking and blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? Let's get to it.
too high, bro. Sorry. That shit was the best I've ever seen you do that trick.
Here. It's the bridge to Terabithia. Jammed in there.
To Radabithia? Bro, chill. Good shit. Let's go! You good?
Yeah. Yep, I'm good.
You got it.
Hey, you guys still watching? Ground report. This place is brand new. It's perfect. It's smooth. It's so rad. A+. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'm officially tired. As you can see, it's cold. I'm wearing a beanie and I'm wet. it's time to get out of here. Last week's episode, I was slacking at the Washington Park. Overall, it was a great episode. Running into Mama Spliff, that was super rad.
Tristan killing it.
Tristan always showing up. You know, Goose and Buddha, that was a fun episode. But, you know, I feel like I made up for that. Stephen A. Rudd Park. It's brand spanking new. I loved it. We had a rad time. Thank you for watching. Please tap that like button. Subscribe. You could find our merchandise at www.radboardsport.co. We're always rocking the gear. Check that out. If you're interested, check that out. You could find us at Instagram at radboardsportco. Same thing at Facebook. Catch us on the next episode. Where are we going next? Guys, comment. We love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching again, and we're out of here. See you next week. Signing out. Ride all day. We're hitting every park in the city, so if you want to know what parks are out here, we're the guys to go to.